Autocommit migration from Django 1.7 to 1.8. I was migrating from Django 1.7 to 1.8 via following steps. Active virtualenv, uninstall Django 1.7, install Django 1.8, Python manage.py run server on execution of step 4. For I am getting the following error. Error seems to be from Psycop2 module and related to autocommit. In the feature removed section of 1.8 documentation, I found the following line. I couldn't relate this to the error I got. Can somebody throw light into this? Update. I found out why. Below is my DB connection config, in that there is autocommit equals true. On commenting that line, the issue got resolved. But still I want to know why we cannot give autocommit equals true option.
The following was outlined in the Django 1.7 databases docs. In previous versions of Django, database-level autocommit could be enabled by setting the autocommit key in the options part of your database configuration in databases. Since Django 1.6, autocommit is turned on by default. This configuration is ignored and can be safely removed. And as per the 1.8 release notes, this feature was removed. If you still want to keep the setting for some reason, simply move it out of options.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.